This is another good one that we can just shoot and just show all the different ways that I exercise my personal preference of morale and ethics in my business as an adult entertainer. So clearly this person asks me about an appointment. I give them a little information, and included in my information it says, I prefer single men who need healing and have no woman to receive it from. He then appears to be not qualified, he says, due to his marital status. He's sad, but he understands. What's sad to me is, I don't know what's more sad, him or his wife. Because I guarantee she doesn't know. Gentlemen, guys, fellas, niggas, motherfuckers, rednecks, spices. I'm not just playing. No, but seriously, you guys, you do understand, like, that's not cool. And a lot of the problem and a lot of the reason why a lot of young men don't want to get married now and shit like that is because they don't want to end up looking like these lame ass niggas. And I don't blame y'all. Be sure you know what you want. Be sure you understand what a contract is. Understand what marriage is, what it's supposed to be meant for. And utilize it to its fullest benefit. Lay down your ground rules and know what it is that you expect. If you expect that you can only stay faithful to a woman for X amount of days, months, weeks, or whatever, or if you never want to say, hey, I'm never going to cut off my peen from access to the world 100%, whatever type of man you are, be sure you know what type of man you are, and you let that woman know. The more of a lie you live, the sadder your existence appears to be. Don't be lame. Don't be a cheater. Don't be a liar. Be a real stand-up motherfucking man. Grab your dick and say, bitch, if you want this dick to be yours, you're going to have to understand that you're going to have to share sometimes. How hard is that? Nope, you're not going to do it because you're a fucking pussy. Because you all got sucked into the matriarch of marriage. What a dumb fucking contract. It's stupid to even be in a relationship. Listen, if you want to be with multiple people, just be with multiple people, or only attract people that want to be with multiple people also. A lot of the times the problem is not that. The problem is you like control. You're lame as fuck and you like control. So you manipulate and you lie just like the bitches that you're with. Which is why a lot of you end up dying alone. Miserable. With a family all around you. Because in your head, you're still alone. Because you know they don't have your best interest in mind at all. The only thing they have in mind is for you to obey and be the proper father figure you're supposed to be. Be the proper daddy. Provide that proper protection, that security. Meanwhile, you're breaking hearts. Save their ass, break their heart? Is that the new trend? Oh wait, that's the old trend. Young guys, don't fall for this bullshit. And any dudes who've never got married, please don't fall for the okie doke. It's not cute. It's not cute. It appears I'm not qualified to see you due to my marital status. I'm sad, but I understand. No, you're not sad. You're pathetic.